Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gabby here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a handstand. And I know I did one of the videos, but that was not really what I was expecting, but here's a new one. So here we go, let's learn. Well, let's do some stretches. So let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna want to stretch our wrists. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on our knees, and then we're going to lean forward and rock just to stretch the outer and whole wrist. And make sure you do this for 10 seconds. Okay, the next thing is you're gonna do it backwards, just on your wrists, so you rock back and forth. Okay, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hands side to side, and you're just gonna rock side to side. Okay, now you're gonna put your hands like this, and you're just gonna rock. And remember to do all those for 10 seconds. Okay guys, now we're moving on to the arms, so you can do at least 10 or 7 push-ups, and that is suggested because you need arm strength, a lot. Well, you don't need a lot, you just need some arm strength. So this is basically what a handstand looks like. So that's a handstand. Okay, so now we're going to teach you how to kick up into one and get your handstand hopefully in one day, but I think you got to practice with your balance. So yeah. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go into a dog position, and you're going to have one leg raised, and you're going to practice kicking up. And then kick up as high as you can, and try to do it with your legs split. Do about 10 of those until you feel comfortable to move on to the next move. Okay, so the next move is just going up into a handstand from a lunge, and then you go down, kick up. So like this. Lunge, kick up, and then make sure you go down when you need to, because if you don't, you're either going to fall backwards or you're going to fall forwards like that, or like that. So yeah, so now the next move is to do it against a wall. Okay, now I'm at a wall, and I do it. The wall's here to keep you safe, and then you balance and you keep your legs and your body straight, because that's the cure to having a straight handstand. And once you're comfortable with that, you can move on to a soft surface. So okay, now I'm at my mom's bed, and I'm going to just do my handstand. So that's the speaker. Okay, now I'm gonna do it. So you may just want to get into the safe place like this. Get over here, get comfortable, and then you're gonna do your handstand. And then when you feel like falling, fall down. You have a soft place, and that's why a soft place is here. Once you haven't fallen down, so you kind of need to practice a lot. And then what helped me was I put my head at the edge of the bed, and then it holds me up. So like this. It holds me up for longer and longer. And if you feel like you need to balance, another tip is to move your legs. And as you probably didn't see, but I moved my legs a bit, so yeah. So you can do this. Oops, sorry. Can do this, and then make the bed hold you. And I really think that the bed is actually quite fun. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. Oh, do some tips and tricks. Okay, so this is the tips and tricks. So if you can't hold your handstand just yet and you've got it, that's fine. That's absolutely normal. That's just like the way to go for beginners. So you're gonna basically like crunch your hands on the floor and make them spread apart, just like that. Now that helps because when you hold like this, it balances you. And then the next thing is keep your legs straight. So I'm gonna do a handstand, and I keep my legs straight and I try my best to keep my legs straight. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you got your handstand. So yeah, bye. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.